It's getting clear that AI is going to change our lives in many ways. With AIs getting smarter each day, they are increasingly entrusted with ever more daunting tasks. Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is Threshold in China, a segment that gives you a taste of the future before it actually happens. Today, let's talk about 3 AI changes that are taking place in China. Chinese scientists have released the world's first AI fully automated design CPU. Designing a CPU, or let's say the brain of a computer, is a very difficult and time-consuming task that requires a lot of knowledge and special tools. Engineers have to write instructions by code and then use computer programs like electronic design automation tools to turn those instructions into electronic circuits. In addition, they need to repeatedly verify the functionality and optimize the performance and power. This process usually takes hundreds of engineers months or years to complete. For example, it took more than 500 Intel engineers 2 years to complete the entire design process for a typical Intel CPU. Researchers from the Chinese Academy of Science want to try something different. They use AI technology to automatically generate CPU designs directly from input-output test case without any code or natural language descriptions from engineers. That means instead of engineers manually designing the intricate circuits and logic gates that makes up a CPU, engineers provide AI with what functions the CPU needs to perform through input-output examples. The AI system can then figure out on its own how to design the internal component of the CPU that can perform those functions reliably. Within 5 hours, this method generated a 32-bit RISC-V CPU with over 4 million logic gates. Enlightenment 1 was 4,000 times the circuit scale that ChatGPT-4 can currently design. It can run the Linux operation system and has performance comparable to an Intel 486. Enlightenment 1 is the world's first CPU chip that is fully automatically generated without human intervention. This may further revolutionize the semiconductor industry by significantly reducing the design cycle and enable more innovation and diversity in CPU architectures. Chip makers around the world have been trying to design chips with AI. Earlier this year, NVIDIA claimed its new research shows AI can improve the design of computer chips and optimize how the transistors are placed to make chips faster, cheaper, and use less power. The work is crucial because chip manufacturing advances are slowing, making chips more expensive. Similarly, AMD are turning to AI to optimize their spending and speed up time to market. Industry insiders believe that virtually all large chip makers are now adopting AI-assisted method. In the future, maybe within 5 to 10 years, CPU generated by AI may surpass those designed by human experts, completely changing the landscape. AI could bring new blood into global research and development, and it has become the new colleagues of chemists. A team from the University of Science and Technology of China has developed an AI system that they call the AI Chemists, which consists of a chemical brain, robotic experimenter, and intelligent chemistry workstation. The chemical brain builds knowledge graphs by analyzing vast chemical experiment and theory data. The system reads scientific papers online and proposes experiment designs. It then controls a mobile robot to execute the full experimental process on 16 workstations for synthesis, characterization, and performance tests. As experiments run, the AI chemist analysis accumulate data using machine learning and Bayesian optimization to generate new hypotheses for the next iteration, designing new molecules, optimizing reaction conditions, and discovering new catalysts. It is a game changer in the field of chemistry, as the AI Chemist represents the world's first AI system that is capable of conducting independent scientific research in chemistry. It may transform chemical laboratories by accelerating the discovery of new materials and medicines through assisting human researchers. The researchers hope to build a small AI chemist facility with dozens of robots within 2 to 3 years and a large facility within 3 to 5 years. Chemists can submit tasks online while a smart operating system schedules robots to complete tasks and provide results. Data from multiple research groups can be shared, generating vast data that automatically refines digital knowledge graphs and AI models to guide robotic optimization, producing better, more efficient chemicals and materials. Last month, a new AI supercomputer developed by Shanghai's Fudan University has been put into use to boost scientific research. The so-called Computing for the Future at Fudan, CFFF, is jointly built with Alibaba Cloud and China Telecom. It provides a cutting-edge parallel computing power and massive storage. It allows researchers to train huge AI models with trillions of parameters, something never seen before in Chinese universities. Researchers say this new super device will significantly improve research efficiency and accelerate discoveries. It's like having a big science instrument to advance their work. With the help from AI, a 45 billion parameter weather forecast model is developed. It shortens prediction times from hours to just 3 seconds. The huge model only took a single day to train. The university hopes to develop more large AI models in different fields based on this platform, such as life science, material science, and integrated circuits. In the future, the platform will be open to other universities and research institutions to support their projects as well. Not only in China, scientists around the world are amongst the first people to incorporate AI into their workflow, and we see this virtuous cycle of better science leading to better technologies, which in turn further advance science. And that is all for today's Threshold. As usual, we welcome your feedback and thoughts.